Hi friends! Tecno has released its new mobile phone, the Tecno Camon 19 series, which includes 3 new phones. Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, Tecno Camon Pro, and Tecno Camon 19. A 6.8-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels is included in the Tecno Camon 19. The aspect ratio of the display is 20.5:9, and the pixel density is 395 ppi. Above all, it is equipped with a Helio G85 processor, 4 GB per 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage. A microSD card is also supported by the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. The Tecno Camon 19 has a triple camera configuration on the back, with a 64MP wide lens, a 2MP depth sensor lens, and a 2MP AI lens. The front camera, on the other hand, is a 16MP sensor. Tecno Camon 19 operating system is Android 12 with iOS 8.6 on top of it. It includes a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that charges in 18 minutes. The dimensions of the Tecno Camon 19 are 166.6 x 74.4 x 8.3 mm. It comes in 3 colors: Eco Black, Sea Salt White, and Digital Green.